Okay, these are some uses of ultrasound. And what is ultrasound? Ultrasound is sound which has frequencies greater than 20 kilohertz. So it's sound with frequencies of greater than 20 kilohertz. So uses of ultrasound, it's used in imaging, of course, that's the most common use that everybody knows, for looking at unborn babies. Dolphins use it to communicate and to navigate. It's used for jewellery cleaning, and you can see down here ultrasonic cleaning as well, other types of delicate instrumentation which would need to be cleaned. Ultrasonic toothbrush, viewing kidney stones, so again that's a medical use. Bats use it for navigation, for communication. Echolocation is to locate something like a shoal of fish or whatever. It can be used for that. And submarines also use it for echolocation to locate enemy ships and things like that. So you need to know at least a couple of those uses of ultrasound. So using ultrasound in medicine, it's a name given to a medical technique. It uses very high frequency sound waves, i.e. greater than 20 kilohertz, to produce images of inside the body without opening up the body. So this is just showing you two scans. The first one's a fetus of 10 weeks, so this they can just check and see that there definitely is a baby there, and if there's heartbeat and so on. And then a much more detailed scan at 20 weeks can reveal any bone abnormalities, spinal abnormalities, any defects in the heart, any defects in the brain. Looks for things like a cleft palate in the baby. So you can see there, that's very clear. You can see the brow, the nose, the lips there, the chin, cheekbones even, and you can see the wee ribs, and there's a hand there as well. So it is a very, very clear image. Why is ultrasound used for scanning fetuses instead of x-rays? Well, with x-rays there's a radiation risk. And in particular before the baby is 12 weeks in the womb, it's very, very subject to radiation, and that can affect it physically and mentally. So there's a very big radiation risk with x-rays. Which would give a clearer picture? Well, if you had a choice, your clear picture would come from an x-ray. But obviously that's not feasible if you're talking about using it on an unborn baby. How does ultrasonic imaging work? Ultrasound, like all sound, is reflected when it meets different boundaries. So how is this used for imaging? An ultrasound machine transmits high frequency waves, sound waves, into the body. These sound waves then are reflected by different amounts by different tissues. The reflected waves are detected by a receiver, and a computer turns the distance and intensities of these echoes into a 2D image. So this is a two-dimensional image here, and you can see that the bones here, there's the spine and the back of the skull, they are reflecting more sound there, and it gives a whiter image then compared